we finally got the Keto Mojo. Why did I buy this blood monitoring system? Simple answer to that. You can get the ketone test strips for $1 a piece. I was paying anywhere from $3 to $5 per strip, and if you could imagine, when I would do my test, it would cost me anywhere from $6 to $18, just depending. Also, I felt like the strips became inaccurate, and for the money I was paying for them, I couldn't justify paying that. I also bought some control solution. This was around $20 to $24 just to test our machine occasionally. So if you get the package here, let's look online. It's called the Ketone Pro, which is the Founders Club kit. It is $99.49. It comes with 50 ketone strips and everything in this box, which is the monitor we're fixing to unbox it. So let's just go ahead and unbox everything that we have here. First, we'll look at the strips. So here's the code checker to make sure your meter is reading the right code before you test your blood. Here's the ketone strips. Quite a few in there. 50 to be exact. Let's open this baby up. See what's inside of here. Just pull it out. Alright, so it looks like we have some literature. This little handy dandy bag. Looks like it also has these ketone strips. They are ketone strips, so let's see how many extra. So we got 60 ketone strips all together. We got the meter. So this is, I would call it a lancet pen maybe, but it's for these lancets here that's gonna prick your finger in order to get the blood. I believe this would be the meter that goes with the tin that it came with. So what I'm gonna do with that is keep that separate and just put that in there. Got some awesome batteries. Okay, so right out of the gate, it's ready to go. So let's test it. As they have suggested multiple times, you need to put this reader in there first. So we want it to read out 759. So 759, we're ready to test our blood. Move this stuff out of the way so you can see this meter. This works a lot like the same one that I have. See how there's a little blood sign flashing? That means it's ready for you to put the blood on there. Should be more than enough blood. All right. Good news, 1.4, good deal. So this is the Keto Mojo. Again, I purchased the Ketonian Pro, which is the one I suggest you buy, because you will receive 60 ketone testing strips, which is awesome in my book, because that would have cost me $180 minimum had I bought them anywhere else.